I used to have bed bugs and nothing worked until I figured out a method that actually did. Since then, I've helped hundreds of people get rid of them on their own. Before you go spending thousands on exterminators or flooding your space with toxic chemicals, let me show you 4 simple, natural steps that actually work and won't cost you a fortune. First step, contain the infestation. The first thing you need to do when you discover bed bugs is to contain the problem. Start by sealing your mattress and box spring with a bed bug-proof cover. This is a simple but effective way to trap any bed bugs inside and prevent new ones from getting in. These covers are designed to encase the entire mattress, so even if there are bugs inside, they won't be able to escape or feed on you. Make sure to get a high-quality cover that's specifically labeled as bed bug-proof. This will have a zipper that prevents them from getting through. Covers should stay on for at least 12 to 18 months if used for trapping bugs. Bed bugs can survive months without feeding. They are available for $30 to $50 at various retailers. It's best to choose a cover that fully encases both the mattress and box spring for maximum protection. How to know your bedding was infested in the first place? Look for these signs. Tiny blood stains on your sheets. Dark spots of bug feces on your mattress or furniture. Small, itchy bites on your skin, often appearing in clusters or lines. And shed skins or eggs hidden in cracks and corners. It's important to remove and isolate any infested bedding immediately. Wash all your sheets, pillowcases, blankets, and other bedding in hot water. It should be at least 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 60 degrees Celsius to ensure death of bed bugs, and then dry them on the highest heat setting. Bed bugs and their eggs are highly sensitive to heat, so this is a critical step in reducing the population. Bed bugs feed on you while you sleep, and preventing bed bug bites is key. Without blood, they can't reproduce. One of the most effective ways to stop bed bugs from feeding on you is by using bed bug interceptor cups. These are small plastic devices that go under the legs of your bed and other furniture. The cups are designed with a dual-layer trap that captures bed bugs as they climb in or out, effectively trapping them in both rings. The best part? They act as a physical barrier, so even if you have bed bugs in the room, they won't be able to reach you when you sleep. Bed bugs can't fly or jump. They can only crawl. That's why physical barriers like interceptor cups are so effective. Interceptor cups not only protect you at night but also help you monitor the infestation. By checking the cups regularly, you can track whether the bed bugs are still active and whether your efforts to eliminate them are working. You can find a pack of 4 on the market for around $13. I'll drop a link in the description just in case. You can also use double-sided tape around the legs of the bed to create an additional barrier. Apply the tape around the bottom of each leg, ensuring it sticks securely to the surface. This simple step traps any bed bugs trying to climb up, preventing them from reaching your bed while you sleep. Second step, clear the clutter. Bed bugs thrive in cluttered spaces because they offer plenty of hiding spots. Did you know? Bed bugs can flatten their bodies to fit into spaces as thin as a credit card. The more places they can hide, the harder it is to fully eliminate them. Bed bugs hide for weeks in unexpected places, behind headboards, inside mattress seams, deep in wall cracks, and even behind electrical outlets. And the worst part? A single female can lay up to 5 eggs a day, meaning a small problem can turn into a full-blown infestation before you even realize it. So infestations grow fast if you do not take the right steps. So the next step is to reduce these hiding places and make your space less inviting for pests. Start by removing unnecessary items around your bed. This includes piles of clothes, old books, boxes, or anything that could provide bed bugs with shelter. Seal these items in plastic bags. Leave them sealed for at least 12 months to ensure that any bed bugs or eggs inside die off. Bed bugs are resilient pests, and their eggs can survive without feeding for extended periods, often up to several months, depending on environmental conditions. You can also trash the sealed plastic bags outside your home if you wish to get rid of those items. Third step: vacuum and heat treatment. It's time to focus on vacuuming and heat treatment, two of the most effective methods for eliminating bed bugs at various stages of their life cycle. Start by vacuuming thoroughly. You'll want to get into every nook and cranny, paying special attention to areas like the seams of your mattress, the bed frame, cracks in the walls, baseboards, and even the corners of the room. Bed bugs and their eggs are small and can hide in the tiniest spaces, so make sure you vacuum every edge and crevice. Contrary to popular belief, bed bugs aren't attracted to dirt. They're drawn to your body heat and the carbon dioxide you breathe out. That's why they tend to stay close. 90% of the time, they're nesting less than 2 meters from where you sleep. This is why you should always pay special attention to areas close to your bed during vacuuming and any bed bug treatment. Use a vacuum with a HEPA filter if possible. These filters are designed to capture tiny particles like bed bug eggs, nymphs, and adult bed bugs. After vacuuming, be sure to seal the vacuum bag tightly and dispose of it outside immediately. This prevents any bed bugs you've sucked up from escaping and reinfesting your home. Have you ever personally dealt with bed bugs? Drop a comment below and share your experience. I'd love to know what worked or didn't for you. Next, let's talk about heat treatment. Bed bugs can't survive high heat. Exposure to temperatures above 120 degrees Fahrenheit, 49 degrees Celsius, kills them within minutes. That's why steam cleaning is one of the most effective ways to eliminate them, especially in tight, hard-to-reach spots where they love to hide. For items that can't be washed, a portable steam cleaner is a great solution. Steaming your mattress, furniture, and baseboards will kill bed bugs on contact. Focus on cracks, seams, and crevices where bed bugs often hide. The high heat from the steam penetrates deep into fabrics and surfaces, ensuring you target not just the bed bugs, but also their eggs. If you don't have a steam cleaner, you can use a clothes iron to steam your mattress as an alternative. Hairdryer isn't an effective option, as it can only kill bed bugs on contact and is not best to penetrate hard-to-reach areas with its heat. And this is usually where bed bugs like to nest. You can also put them in a sealed plastic bag and leave them in the sun for several hours. Just make sure you monitor the temperature closely to avoid damaging the items. A sauna is another effective alternative. Place the items inside for at least 30 minutes, ensuring they are heat-resistant and can withstand the high temperatures. Last step: natural killers that work. Now that we've tackled the basics of bed bug eradication, let's dive into some natural killers that can effectively fight back against bed bugs. These options are not only eco-friendly, but they're also safe for kids and pets, which makes them a great choice for those who want to avoid the risks of toxic chemicals. One of the most effective natural treatments is diatomaceous earth. This fine powder is made from the fossilized remains of tiny aquatic organisms called diatoms. When bed bugs come into contact with diatomaceous earth, it's sharp enough to puncture their exoskeletons, causing them to dry out and die. This has been backed by numerous reports from people who've tried it at home, as well as scientific studies, which I'll link in the description. Choose food-grade diatomaceous earth because it is non-toxic to both humans and pets, making it a safe choice for your home. Simply sprinkle the powder along baseboards, cracks, and crevices where bed bugs are likely hiding or passing by. Leave it for a few days, then vacuum it up, and repeat the process. Be cautious not to introduce moisture to your diatomaceous earth, as humidity can reduce its effectiveness against bed bugs. Another great natural solution is essential oils. Certain oils, like tea tree oil, lavender oil, and eucalyptus oil, have insect-repelling properties. Some studies have shown that these oils can not only repel bed bugs, but can also kill them on contact. You can make a natural bed bug spray at home by mixing a few drops of essential oil with water and a splash of vinegar. Spray it directly on bed bugs or in areas where you think they're hiding or moving through. It's all over the internet. Want to uncover the home remedy that works wonders on bed bugs? You won't believe just how effective baking soda can be. Don't miss the next video to find out more.